Enter our Halloween piano costume contest for a chance to win amazing prizes. 6 winners will receive a Hoffman Academy swag package, including a t-shirt, 2 repertoire books, keychain, and more. 1 grand prize winner gets all that, plus a 1-year Hoffman Academy Premium membership, a 1-year Sheet Music Direct pass, and a Spark Wearable Metronome from Soundbrenner, a vibrating metronome with smart watch features. To enter, simply film yourself playing a song in your Halloween costume, submit your video, and share your link to gather votes. The most votes win the grand prize. You can also win in 5 other categories. Find contest details, grand prize info, and the submission form in the description below. Enter by midnight on October 31st. We can't wait to see your spooky videos.
Okay, that's fine.